Good morning to all of you children. Today I am going to start your new topic, electric power and electrical energy. The expression for the electric power and electrical energy and the unit of power also. Let us study. Now let us start today's next topic, electric power. What is electric power? Power. We know that the rate of doing work is power. Power is defined as the rate of consumption of energy. Rate of doing work is called the power. Electric power, in case of electric power, the electric power of an electric circuit is the rate at which electric energy is consumed in the given electric circuit. That is called the power. Electric power means the rate at which electric energy is consumed or dissipated in the given circuit or conductor is called the electric power. Electric power is equal to work done upon time. Now let us see, if current I flows through an electric circuit having resistance R for time t such that potential difference V, that is equal to IR according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, is produced across the terminal of the electric circuit, then the electric energy dissipated, electric energy consumed in the circuit is given by electric energy E is equal to VIT, V into I into T, that is also equal to I square RT, and that is equal to V square upon R into T. Electric energy is equal to VIT equal to I square RT is also equal to V square upon R into T. So the electric power of the circuit is equal to energy consumed, energy dissipated upon time. Energy consumed upon time. This energy consumed is equal to work done. This is the general formula to find out the power. Power is equal to work done upon time. Work done is equal to energy consumed in the circuit. Work done is equal to the energy consumed in the circuit upon time. That is equal to the value of E is VIT upon T. This is also equal to I square RT, I square RT upon T. This also equal to V square upon R into T, V square upon R into T upon T. T cancelled out, T cancelled, we get P is equal to VI, P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square R, P is equal to V square upon R. In this way, we get the formula to find out the electric power. P is equal to V into I is equal to I square upon R is equal to V square upon. These are the expressions are used to find out the numerical to solve the numerical problems. If potential difference and current is given, then we use the formula P is equal to VI. If the value of current and resistance are given, then P is equal to I square R. If resistance and voltage are given, then we apply the formula P is equal to V square upon R. In this way, we utilize this formula for solving the numerical value. Understood, all of you? That's all. Now let us see what is the unit of electric power. What is the unit of electric power? According to formula, we know that power is equal to potential difference into current, that is P is equal to V into I. Now unit of power P is equal to unit of potential difference V into unit of current I according to this formula. So we put the unit value of each one. Unit of potential difference is volt, unit of current is ampere. So unit of P, unit of power is equal to volt into ampere, volt ampere. This volt ampere is called watt, denoted by W. In this way the unit of electric power is watt. The SI unit of electric power is watt, denoted by W. How can we define 1 watt? What is 1 watt? 1 watt according to formula electric power P is equal to V into I. 1 watt is equal to 1 volt and 1 ampere. From this expression we can define the 1 watt. 1 watt means the power consumed by an electric circuit or device is 1 watt is defined as if it carries a current of 1 ampere when operated at potential difference of 1 volt. 1 watt means if current is passed in circuit 1 ampere and it is operated at potential difference 1 volt, then it is called 1 watt. 1 watt का मतलब कि यदि 1 एम्पियर यदि 1 एम्पियर की करंट को 1 वोल्ट पर ऑपरेट की जा रही हो तो उस रजिस्टर में की जो पावर होगी वह 1 वाट के इक्वल होती है. तो इस तरह से हम 1 वाट को डिफाइन करते हैं. 1 वाट मीन्स 1 वाट इज डिफाइंड एज इफ carries a current 1 ampere when operated at potential difference of 1 volt, known as the 1 watt. There are many units are used for the electric power. The unit watt is very small. In actual practice, we therefore use a larger unit called kilowatt, where 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. The watt is very small unit. In practice, we use larger unit, that is called kilowatt. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. A still bigger unit of power is called megawatt. Megawatt means 1 megawatt is equal to 1000 kilowatt, that is equal to 10 power 6 watt. Let us see a unit of electric energy. Units of the electric energy. Since electric energy is the product of power and time, we know that E is equal to P into T. That is, electric energy is the product of power and time. Hence, commonly used unit of electrical energy is watt hour, WH. The unit of electric energy is used commonly as WH, watt hour. 1 watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. That is 1 watt hour, 1 WH is equal to 1 watt into 1 hour. 1 watt hour means 1 watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. यदि 1 घंटे के लिए 1 वाट की पावर यूज हो रही हो तो इसको हम 1 वाट आवर कहते हैं. तो 1 वाट आवर का मतलब होता है 1 वाट आवर इज इक्वल टू 1 वाट इंटू 1 आवर. द कमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी इज known as kWh, kilowatt hour. It is denoted by kWh, kilowatt hour, and is commonly known as unit of electric energy consumed in our domestic electric circuit. It is used for the domestic electric circuit. kWh, kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of the electric energy. This question come in the examination every year. What are the commercial unit of electrical energy? The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour, that is kWh. The energy consumed 1 kilowatt hour or one unit. This 1 kilowatt hour is called 1 unit. This is called unit. kWh is called the unit. Then 1 kilowatt hour, that is 1 unit. If 1 kilowatt power is used for 1 hour or 100 watt power is used for 10 hour or 20 watt power is used for 50 hour and so on. In this way we can define. Therefore the electric energy consumed in kilowatt hour is equal to power into time. Power is taken in kilowatt and time is taken in hour for the commercial purpose. The unit of power is taken in kilowatt and time is taken in hour. So electrical energy consumed in kWh, kilowatt hour, that is unit, is equal to power watt. The unit of power is watt into time in hour upon 1000. This is the expression for the electrical energy consumed in units are kilowatt hour. Power is taken in watt and time is taken in hour upon 1000. Students, now your period is over. Probably today your first lesson is completed. Then till नमस्कार, धन्यवाद.